The GUPOQIGU 750 CFM cordless leaf blower is built with a high-efficiency motor that delivers an impressive 750 cubic feet per minute of airflow, making it ideal for clearing wet leaves and stubborn debris. Equipped with two powerful 4 ampere-hour batteries, this blower offers a substantial runtime, ensuring you can tackle large areas without interruption. Its 6-speed dial and turbo mode provide versatile power options, allowing you to adjust the airflow precisely to suit your specific needs, from light dusting to heavy-duty clearing. Featuring 2-section extension tubes, this blower can be quickly adjusted to reach tricky areas like flower beds and corners, adding to its versatility. Weighing only 4 pounds, the ergonomic design and non-slip grip make it easy to handle, reducing user fatigue during extended use. This complete kit comes with everything you need, including the blower, batteries, charger, and manual, all backed by a 1-year warranty and round-the-clock customer support.